And in some areas, it's actually already becoming heavy, especially for those of you across portions of northwest Indiana. So in Porter and LaPorte County right now, do you see how heavy this looks? So this really dark shade of blue, that's an idea of what's to come here for a lot of us going throughout the overnight. So we're going to be dealing with potentially whiteout conditions and also just localized very heavy snowfall, which is going to be impacting your commute that you may have tonight or even through the day tomorrow. So let's dive things in a little bit closer here. Temperatures have already dropped into the 20s, which means that snow that we're seeing out there right now, it's sticking. We've already had reports of seeing roads becoming covered here as the snow continues to fall. So all areas that you see here highlighted in pink, that is a winter storm warning. That is where we're expecting the highest impacts. At this point, if you are finding yourself highlighted here in the pink, you could be seeing localized amounts as high as 5 to 10 plus inches of snow where some of the heavier bands set up. And then for those of you in Newton, Jasper, northern and southern Will County into DuPage County, you have a winter weather advisory where as much as 2 to 5 inches of snow could fall. So Futurecast taking us throughout the next couple of hours. We're going to see this lake effect spreading across a good portion of the area. But take notice, the heaviest stuff, those darker shades of blue, are staying closer to the lakefront, and then it's going to weaken the farther inland that it goes, because the lake in this scenario is the fuel for the lake effect. So as it moves inland, it's going to be moving away from that fuel source. Now that's round one in the next couple of hours. Round two is going to be here more so in the early morning hours of your Monday. So I have the clock stopped here around 4 or 5 a.m. or so. Do you see this band that's developing across Lake County and into northern Cook County? That band is going to be capable of 2 to 3 inches per hour, which could cripple your Monday morning commute. That's high enough, those snow rates, that the plows aren't going to be able to keep up with it, and it's certainly going to be piling up on the road. So plan for that ahead, that tomorrow morning, early morning hours, Lake County, Cook County, it's likely going to be pretty nasty out. Then this narrow band, and it's only going to be about 10 to 15 miles wide, it's going to begin to sweep down throughout the southern portion of the lake and then over into northwest Indiana. So it's not going to be snowing everywhere all at once throughout the morning. It'll be highly localized. How much are we expecting? Again, most areas closer to the lakefront going to have the potential of seeing 5 to 10 plus inches, and then lesser amounts the farther inland that you go. Tonight, dropping down into the 20s, still very gusty, so whiteout conditions going to be possible. 5-day forecast, 35 degrees tomorrow. We start to warm up going into Veterans Day. We're in the 40s, and then 50s, Scott, are possible late this week.
Oh, I was already looking ahead, so I'm thankful that this is short-lived.
Yes.
Let's talk